Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that caught our eye, the Paterr Striped Tote Bag. We found this versatile item online, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Paterr Striped Tote Bag is a set of 8 reusable canvas grocery bags that are perfect for a variety of occasions. These bags come with a chic striped design that not only makes them stylish but also functional. Made from durable canvas material, they're designed to withstand everyday use, making them an excellent choice for your shopping needs. Let's talk about some of the standout features of these tote bags. First and foremost, the size of these bags is impressive. They are spacious enough to carry groceries, beach gear, or even items for a picnic. The sturdy handles ensure they can hold a good amount of weight without any risk of tearing. Additionally, the bags are washable, which makes them easy to maintain and keeps them looking fresh even after multiple uses. One of the unique aspects of the Paterr Striped Tote Bag is its versatility. These bags are not just for shopping, they are also perfect for bridesmaid proposal gifts, beach outings, and even bridal or bachelorette parties. The stylish design allows them to seamlessly transition from casual grocery runs to more festive occasions, making them a great addition to any lifestyle. Now, who would benefit the most from these tote bags? If you're someone who values eco-friendliness, these reusable bags are an ideal choice. They significantly reduce the need for single-use plastic bags, helping you contribute to a more sustainable environment. Additionally, if you're planning a wedding or a special event, these tote bags can serve as gorgeous gift bags for your bridesmaids. Just imagine filling them with personalized goodies and surprises. Practical use cases for these bags are nearly endless. Use them for your weekly grocery shopping, carry your yoga gear to the studio, or pack them for a day at the beach. They're also great for carrying items to and from work or school. Whether you're a busy mom, a student, or someone who enjoys outdoor activities, these totes can adapt to your needs. In summary, the Paterr Striped Tote Bag is more than just a grocery bag, it's a stylish, versatile, and eco-friendly solution for your everyday carrying needs. With their durable design and practical uses, they are a smart investment for anyone looking to make their daily routines a bit easier and more fashionable. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.